Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can set the time code on CapCut PC. I was about to say Dress to Impress for some reasons. Anyways, go to menu and you're going to open up these settings. Go to edit, and then here under time code, you can either select this from these two time codes. There's this first one. I think this is hour, minute, second plus frame. Hour, minutes, second, and frame. I think it's this one here. I'm not quite sure actually which the time what it is, but if you wanted to, you can absolutely do that. I just use the default, which is this one, and then I'm going to press save. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.